I've been farming here since I left school. I'm a third generation farmer. I farm with my wife Sarah. One of the things we wanted to do over the last few years is to reduce our carbon footprint. So we've been lucky enough to have help through Farming Connect. We go to quite a large woodland down the bottom there, and we go through the woodland every day to check the stock and seeing a lot of trees falling down. Farming Connect were advertising advice for woodland management again, so we had Neil started out. He was mentioning to us what a difference the woodland will make to the carbon footprint by thinning the woods, allowing more trees to have room to grow. They absorb more carbon. It's put a much better image to the farm. With 40 acres of woodland, it should really more or less take all the carbon that the cows are producing. Both Sarah and I have tapped into the Farming Connect advice and mentoring and training courses.
My interests mainly on the farm are the cattle, the cows and the calves. So we decided that instead of feeding a lot of concentrates and calving all year round, we would move towards a more pasture-based and a lower input system. At the moment we're milking just under 150 cows, mainly calving in the spring months from April to June, rearing all our own replacements. Our concentrate use has probably dropped significantly in that time, and I think the cows are milking as well as ever. Farming Connect has definitely been of assistance with us with both with the cows and with our grazing management. For example, I had a grazing clinic last year. A specialist in the area came for a morning and we talked about some of the issues that I was having, and he gave me some really good advice, which we've put into use this year and it's been of real benefit.
Profitability and sustainability go in hand. We have to, at the end of the day, make a living and milk these cows, but if we can offset carbon by managing woodlands and hedges, so be it, and it has to be the right direction. I would recommend Farming Connect to all farmers. It doesn't matter what kind of enterprise you've got, there's somebody there to mentor and help you out.